Good evening, everyone. My name is Sylvia Dynack, and this week is about collaboration. Joyce Valenza in this week's lecture talks a lot about personal learning networks and collaborations. And as I researched different apps, I came across Google Hangouts, which is new to me. I've never used it before. And I'd like to share a little bit of information I found. So let's begin with a brief introduction.
Hangouts keeps you connected no matter where you are or what device you're using. Here's how it works. Jane's at home on her laptop when she gets a Hangout alert from her brother at the hospital. Jane knows that everyone in her family is going to want to hear the news, so she starts a video call with her parents and adds in her younger brother Justin, who is on vacation in Hawaii. With Hangouts, you can chat and send messages, share photos and emoji, make video and voice calls. You can also make phone calls through iOS devices. Hangouts even continue when you move from one device to another. With Hangouts, Jane's whole family stays connected, and no one misses it when the big news arrives.
Google Hangouts is a user-friendly app offered by Google. Its intended audience is for 4 and above. Hangouts is used to communicate, collaborate, and keep in touch. Message, contacts, start a free video or voice calls, and hop on a conversation with one person or a group. Call any phone number in the world, and all the calls to other Hangout users are free. Connect your Google Voice account for phone calls, texting, voicemail. Include all your contacts with group chats for up to 150 people. Turn any conversation into a free group video call with up to 10 contacts. Some special features include status messages, photos, videos, maps, emojis, stickers. It's user-friendly by keeping in touch with contacts across Androids, iPhones, and the web, and you can also synchronize chats across all of your devices. Google Hangouts is continually growing. It has well over 3 million downloads. It has continual improvements, last updated January 9th of 2018. Its cost is free and it's rated number 12 in social networking. Some tips for using it: you can message friends even if they are offline for school meetings, assignment inquiries, or even a creative idea. See what you chat about in the past, including shared photos and video call history. Keep a record transcript of any conversation for usage. You can use Hangouts to start a chat conversation or a video call, make phone calls using Wi-Fi or data, send text message with your Google Voice or phone number. Hangouts synchronizes automatically across devices. If you start a Hangout on your computer, you can continue your chat on another device, like your phone. So, as a final reflection on my app of the week, I would like to start by saying how many interesting apps I have discovered, not only for personal use, but educational tools I can use in the classroom as well as at home with my children. Through the reading and videos, I have chosen to lessen the rein on screen times at home. Due to this discoveраtive journey, I have come to know that technology is a way of life and screen time is a developmental learning process in itself. I have never personally utilized Google Hangouts in the past, but now have numerous ideas on how I can make the most of the Hangout app. A couple of ideas that I currently have are for parent-teacher conferences, school group activities, and finally staying in touch with family members through chat. This has been such an educational experience for me, and I am thrilled to begin to use the many apps I have researched.